success and sika gawinis and your no a buyer near China boss so Ghana Police Service you're dragging her here and there and those stars no. Owie no so abeya so for. Always she want to be on the media and then like so open the likes, open the monetary issues into your person your man. That kind of film no. And Sammy should be very careful. In the sense to say the me bra ekan your president or say this time the year will be a year of legacy. He's not thinking about the next election. He's thinking about the ordinary Ghanaian first. And I like what I'm seeing because Julius Debra also will issue statement to be say yes semono. And I'm looking forward say sanction be or say obiano. They will push it out to him. Because even though in our Ghanaian society no we give gifts. That was how we were brought up because majority of us will be in the various religions. Religions me and sana ye dominating or Ghana high now obi any ho ti say ye be ma your friend is saying ache there. But circumstances say surrounding wo as Sammy Gyamfi no he should have thought it wise to say even though my minimum na pressure from the commentary no I observe say anope kra na wo kra wo can be say my no like the commentary be oboa ne ade yeah me na make no she's as attention seeker or pay attention. I don't think one call behind no Sammy never cockrana camera so dinachi not on the other side or say camera you can me expect to say on between ade meanwhile video show no actually say she was having the money in her hands waving it here and there up and down. What I say and then she went ahead and said say MPB obesha obiano only then the dollars the obeden obeji what shouldn't be called for and what say obia entertaining animal way and I'm hoping and praying say every neko obia public figure bia obe into that line with her no she should be snubbed and was so you trying to walk around you don't have to give her attention and then some reputations are over the years what me are building in one way or the thing bia then abekam because I don't expect say at the church na me nua me bra oti here na bia papa ye bi officer oye nti na akowie ni bone na be say ni di mpa bia why then waji even though you say Sammy is one of the vocalists or unconform kasa most especially when he has got the fact. I remember I said one electoral commissioner will be on any banter be or JOYNEWS news file like the one now okra fact into the one who see a kasa papa no when you nipa but he was panicking here and there not the can cry near them NCC so oya ni intonation you it means na Sammy to me I then at defeat no and you to be brain no matter party o belonging to obi looking up to say say even in kran say mom ho so omutimi sua ade ko anim na omutimi page omo ho na say party ebetimi left omo adentina obi looking up to them no matter o party color you look up to him say anye hwekra obesua bibia den afri no because yem fan say see am ba na ya te say bia nka me opposition na Sammy Gyamfi ba na me ne be hia twa ho ho bia me kran ka me fili ana me ne Sammy Gyamfi na be hia de wa say me dem ho ye den esua de because ono de obi anim say san intellect na den e wo ho enti the reputation or say no and then yenhwe me brass ma oka or say Sammy Gyamfi never a friend saying apologize to Ghanaians no or you use the word folks you can't folks what does folks mean folks actually saying is addressing the general public and or you adverb particularly me comrades it means folks know what's referring to some general persons be and at this time what's sinking it down to using the adverb particularly just like he's making a specific thing here because I was the one person me follow no me the comment I'm share
which is the folks number the set
or general or generalizing
and then the comrades subset
me comrades
okay
I a subset
all right
of the universal set now you can want say
sure
have you seen the point and see, we shouldn't take it that far even though or patch out and that is what every normal human being be some eba I was say then you fano yes say anobre e ma bae den eto me nya so obi buafu ne senkra we abai obaka but one who say nipa na nya hwekra o show signs of remorse bi what you say o show sign bi a kire say as I dey na my den manume ho and he didn't address only the NDC with the use of the word folks he was generalizing the whole thing and obi not sinking it down because who said in social media no dey no beto on crown people were still like criticizing him left right center and I was one of them. So no, I didn't expect that kind of thing to happen from unknown as Sammy Gyamfi and even the acting CEO of the Good Board. What I say? Eti they are absolutely there. They be an American. I'll never defend such things. Enti ma who say Julius Debra through City News and upon the medical who from different source, but different source na me expect say me more clarification. Yeah, someone some brand no me yin same piano, and I'm ready for that. There was say Koko Sibiano, let's face the reality because dollar yeah can ho say me ba from na say what started na mo issue dollar my man for what is going to happen to tomorrow. Have you seen that? Say dollar na one man for nche no mo didi anka one way na this pressure back to you see so exisanke woni pa kuma bi wona mo de specifically say nko Ghana central government Bank of Ghana ho no de di ni juma yenim say ono de that is the basic mandate or the then or the juma said they be yet me sustain year city no but then e could di ankra ho there then it means we are heading towards a doom area and I'm not going to like entertain that kind of lifestyle no obey cry you should know that no that kind of person as Agradaa A should have been out. But I share scenario Agradaa A can narrate say wakoso on the night rights new kunu so on the night we I listen to that video now I audio now and me sure say Samenya that kind of feeling be say or say me mamenya dem memfa man but I shouldn't have been that kind of way say because also can play smart. Sammy should have been smart enough because I know him to be very smart. He should have been smart enough. Said no, woman will say make cry. I should know how to do it. He didn't want to give her that kind of money. Some are saying 800, some are saying 10,000. May they say yes sense. Even if it was $1 cry, I will still speak against it because to come from a person like Sammy, now any other person and any other way beyond there, I will not support it because I look up to him. Me be free and I'm expecting him to leave a marker. Obia bit me I didn't say I've learned something from him. Someone like Abuaji Miracles, even though he talks a lot, but you see, be briefing her. I'm telling you for a fact. Me, I was one type, and I'm in Penny Pemukasa. Mr. Prince, he was my teacher, and he knows me very well. So, Nipemukasa Pana ding. But through a more way, I think when I was at the JHS near Bahabe debate, and private schools be, and they started propelling that through this way. And then Metia say. And we look out to some crofobia as some crofone let you down. One here, the woman now won't say Bianca, also will show no that channel. No, outside then about to cause
why are disappointed?
You will be so disappointed, you will be so down. And to me, and my telling them, my friend being a narrative teacher, and I'm saying, no, this is serious. And Kofi Bianchen, and I'm a boy, no, Edem Agbana, Ketunov, or more MP, Malik, and your friend is saying, I son your mother brave you more. Zeal and confidence on the year bibia and now the biamika say me MC where I appoint him. I'm very happy because he is very open to the youth, most especially who say won't know here we are, and I like that kind of person.
All right,
until we are looking forward to see say Sammy will play smart this time, and at this time me can say Emma even say all your opposition so your wine Agradaa or seeking attention, they shouldn't give her that room to operate.
And have a man for an eka say almost men can say haba Mr. Etu malaria say we are the number 2 oba